And then another matter is the primary matter, Malad. Uh, that is Malad, the Nios D.El.ed, Malad. That is all the petitioners, they are d.el.ed from the Nios. Their online application start from today, Malad. This goes up to 18, Malad. Their name is not featured.
d.el.ed for
they are d.el.ed candidates from the Nios, Malad. Their name ought to feature in the list, but their name
list
not.
for what?
For document
In relation, in connection with which
selection? 2022 selection process. The notification issued on 30.
What is the stage of that selection process?
Document verification.
Document.
Yes.
So their names
not featured in the publish the West Bengal Board of Primary Education published this list, Malad, but the petitioner's name not featured in the list. They ought to feature in the list.
So is it your grievance that they are not being treated as trained candidates?
No, we don't know. Because of that, one of the Supreme Court passed two orders. One is that before this Kaushik Das order, Supreme Court says that whosoever d.el.ed from the Nios, they are entitled to participate in the selection process for commissioner post or for new selection. They misconstrue the Jaivis Singh judgment. And the West Bengal Board of Primary Education not give a chance a single candidate. Thereafter, some of the candidates went up to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court passed the order that yes, Nios d.el.ed, they are the fittest candidate for the selection process. But subsequently, the Supreme Court passed an order, the appellant is allowed. They only allowed those appellants who are before the Supreme Court, not the other candidate who are before the High Court.
So, what is the last date of
18th?
How many candidates?
60 to 70.
60 to 70?
Yes, 8 petitions are there. 60 to 70.
I have a similar case. There are around 200 candidates, my lord. What happened in 2017-19? Nios D.El.ed degree is by order of the Supreme Court. It is valid. NCT published a notification directing all the states to consider the same. Subsequently, Honorable Supreme Court clarified its judgment, stating that degree is valid. The board, by misinterpreting judgment passed by Honorable Supreme Court in one matter, did not consider this petition. There is more than 2,200 vacancies. 1,200 has been called. Other vacant posts are there. Petitioner will be sufferer if the judgment is misinterpreted. 18th is the last day.
Can you give any date?
One
petitions I have 60 to 70 candidates in 8 petitions.
I have one.
In 8 petitions, I have 60 to 70 and give to one matter because of that matter. They are also candidate or entitled candidate because they misconstrue it completely.
And they are crossing their age. If they do not get chance in this election process, next time they will not be able to
30, 40, 50, any day, any day. Before 18, any day, it will take not more than 5 minutes, I believe.
And judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court is clear. Notification of NCT is clear.
12.
No.
What is the application?
Upon notice, I am mentioning one. Again,
But may I be permitted to mention, my lord?
No further.
But I want to leave, my lord. In the same matter, Nios D.El.ed, nothing else.
File it.
Well, I will give that number.
Lord, may I be permitted to mention, my lord, under the compelling circumstances, my lord, I am mentioning before your lordship a matter relating to the determination of Honorable Justice Tirthankar Ghosh, my lord. The urgency of this matter is that the sister of the petitioner has been murdered in front of her children, minor children, and police are now inclined to arrest the basically all the accused persons. It's the case of the brutal murder relating to the cruelty, my lord. And now after the writ petition was filed, now grateful, extremely grateful.
Primary school teacher mutual transfer. There is direction of the.
It is appearing in the list. Petition of which?
25. There is a direction.
Not appearing.
There is a direction of the coordinator to file a report.
Mention of the sometime.
Lord, new motion. Widow is seeking interest on pension of primary teacher, my lord. My lord, it was appearing.
Interest on pension.
Interest on pension. Pension was belatedly given.
In the list.
It was appearing before the Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha. Thereafter, it has appeared before.
Petition of which year?
24.
24.
Yes, my lord.
Mention after some time. Today, the writ petition has this list has been published at least after fortnight mention.
Sir, matter is the primary group 2 listed motion. Matter was appearing in the DEL.ed list. before my lord Justice Basu, but due to change of determination, matter has been brought.
After fortnight.
No, my lord, your lordship is directed, my lord, before vacation. Before vacation, your lordship is directed to appear in the monthly list of this month.
It was
Despite
directed
of
to
that,
appear in the monthly list.
yes, my lord, but
But
matter did not.
come.
But I have already, my lord,
So you
contacted
take
the
step,
department.
I am also directing.
But I am handed over this, my lord. But I am handed over this, my lord.
ID number 578, it is interest on 58 to